am wrando, heno. Good evening, people. Thanks for listening tonight. Heddiw yw dydd Sadwrn, y pumed ar hugain o Hydref. Today is Saturday, the 25th of October, 2025, 2025. Cyfres pedwar, penod cant 23. Series 4, episode 123. Oergell A Rhewgell. Fridge and freezer. Noswaith that. Does become that. Adjective after the singular feminine noun soft mutates. Pobol has become bobol. Noun, pronoun or noun plural being used as a vocative when it's used to address people causes soft mutation as well. Pobol to bobble. Diolch am wrando. Wrando has become wrando. Verb noun listen as the G has dropped or disappeared. Soft mutation after the word am. One of the key prepositions that cause soft mutation. Am means about or for, or can mean what, as in what a mess. An exclamation. And the key prepositions that cause soft mutation are am ara, dan drostrwy, tan drostrwy, gan heb hyd, I o wrth. And we have hugain. Hugain has become hugain after the word ar. H has been put on. Dwy fil, meal has become veal, soft mutation after the words dwy. Ddeg has become ddeg. And also cyfres pedwar penod cant 23. Deg has become ddeg there too. Soft mutation, D to a double D. And there you go. So, today's episode, some more feminine nouns, and name the episode after two of them, the fridge and the freezer. So, all these ones end in the letters E-L-L, S. So, yeah, you can pretty much tell a word is feminine from the endings sometimes. And with this one, it's S ending. There are some words that break the rules. I've listed two common ones there, but a lot of them are feminine. So they get listed as a feminine rule, the S ending. So what we've got, some new words for today then are, some of them, a couple of them I've had before. Allweddell, keyboard. Asgell, wing. Cell, cell. Cyfrifiannell, calculator. Cyllell, knife. Llinell, line. Llyfrgell, library. Oergell, fridge, refrigerator. Pabell, tent. Pibell, pipe. Rhewgell, freezer. Ystafell, room, chamber, accommodation. And they're all feminine, and these two are masculine, which is tegell, kettle, and castell, castle. So play some games, build some sentences, do what you like. And then we have some sentences. Mae gan lawer o offerennau. Mae gan lawer o offerennau allweddell. Mae gan lawer o offerennau allweddell. Many instruments have a keyboard. Torrodd yr asgell yn y storm. The wing broke in the storm. Mae pob cell yn y ymladd. An ymladd yn all. Every cell fights back. Defnyddiwch ei cyfrifiannell. Use their calculator. Nid cyllell yw hynny. Honey. That isn't a knife. Mae hi'n sefyll ar y llinell. Ar y llinell. She stands on the line. Mae hi'n gweithio yn y llyfrgell hon. She works at this library. Mae'r oergell yn newydd. The fridge is new. Mae'n edrych fel pabell fawr. It looks like a large tent. Mae pibell wedi blocio. A pipe is blocked. Mae rhewgell yn ddrud. A freezer is expensive. Mae'r ystafell yn llawn. The room is full. Llenwch y tegell. Fill the kettle. Mae'r castell yn hen. The castle is old. Yep. And jumping on to the listening exercise, we have mwynheais y cwrs y fforddi crefft ymladd heddiw. I enjoyed the martial arts training course today. Rwy'n edrych ymlaen at y gwasanaeth capel Cymraeg eto yfory. I am looking forward to the Welsh language chapel service again tomorrow. Rydw I wedi dod o hyd I rhai gwefannau gydag ystafelloedd sgwrsio ar gyfer siarad Cymraeg. I have found some websites with chat rooms for speaking Welsh. Mae gen I rai llyfrau newydd gan gynnwys barddoniaeth. I have some new books, including poetry. Yeah. So we're seeing lots of different things there. It's got mwynheais, you got the preterite ending there, the past tense. Of course, what else have we got? Pull out. At a gwasanaeth, okay, service. The service, so that must be masculine, because it would be wasanaeth. And we know that the words that ending in aeth, aeth, are feminine. But that one, gwasanaeth, hasn't mutated to wasanaeth. So that means it's masculine. It's one of the rule breakers that means it's not a feminine ending. And they're quite the three common ones. Hiraeth, gwahaniaeth, and gwasanaeth. So they're masculine, even though the endings for aeth are pretty much always feminine. So, pulled that out there. What have we got? Yes, off to the chapel as well. So it was good. Learned a lot. Helps with the Welsh. That's why I'm doing it. I want to do as many things as I can to let the Welsh sink in and get better at it. I've experienced something quite strange the other day where I was just on autopilot thinking in my mind and walking about the kitchen doing something or other, and I thought a sentence in Welsh, what I was doing. So it was like my inner voice happened to be in Welsh for one sentence only. So I thought in Welsh for a moment, and it was great. So that's my aim, really, to think in Welsh. So I spoke to somebody at the chapel who was a learner as well, who thinks in Welsh and even counts in his head in Welsh now, so that's encouraging. Anyway, we're out of time. Ta-ra.